Namaste, my dear students. I am Kamal Pokhare, a teacher from Joint School family. Today it is the 28th day of virtual class of Standard 5. Today still we are continue the same lesson when wishes come true. Today we will discuss the think and answer. It is the second part of the question answer. First part of the question answer, short question answer, we have done previously in previous class. Today class we will discuss about this question. Actually these questions we have to think, and what we think, what we know about after reading this lesson, we will give the answer. These question answers are from page number 78 from your book, exercise D, think and answer. Okay, think and answer. These are practical type of questions. After reading this story, what you feel, what you take in your mind, what you think in your mind, that you should give the answer yourself. I have also written here the answer to the questions, what I think or what I feel after reading this lesson. Question number 1. Sushil thought that if he could be as old as his father, he would do whatever he wanted. Do you think he could do it the other way? Okay. The meaning of this the question that Sushil, he wanted, according to the story, Sushil wanted to be a grown-up person like his father. He wanted to be a old person. But when his wishes came to true, did he achieve his goal? Or was he fully satisfied what he got? The answer: no, I don't think he couldn't do it that way. Even if the wishes came true of becoming a grown-up person like his father. He wanted to climb the tree like his father, but fell down. He wanted to swim in the pond, but feared of suffering from fever. Even if the friends could not recognize him and ran away from him, it means that he was not satisfied with his what he got. Okay. Question number 2. Which changes appeared more comical to you? Okay. Which changes when their wishes, Subal and Sushil, both father and son, their wishes came true. Okay. After their wishes to be fulfilled, okay, what changes appeared more comical? Okay, which changes appeared more comical to you, Subal or Sushil? Answer: I think Sushil changes appeared more Comical. Comical means funny. From comic, it is comical, funny. I think Sushil changes appeared more comical because his clothes had become too tight when he grew up, when he became old. His clothes had become too tight for him, and he had a shining bald hair. Means a head without hair, bald hair. Question number 3. What did you learn from this story? Story means this when wishes come true. What did you learn from this story? Answer. From this story, I learned that we should be satisfied with what we are. Okay. From this story, I learned that we should be satisfied with what we are. Okay, now let's move toward the vocabulary. Exercise 3. Here are some words, and we have to make them in our own sentence. We have to make sentence by using these words. Question number 1. Terrible. Terrible means डर लाग्दो. I saw a terrible creature in the forest yesterday. You can read. I saw a terrible accident on the road while going to school. You can write. Had better. Had better. You had better do homework. You had better do homework. Homework गरेको भए हुन्थ्यो. You had better do homework instead of getting punishment. Instead of getting punishment. Question number 3. Lie down. He lie down on the floor due to tiredness. He lie down on the floor due to tiredness. Firmly. Firmly means जोडसित. Firmly. Tied the leg firmly. If only. Okay. If only I could find the job. If only I could find the job, I would live in my own way. I would live in my own way. 6 number. Out of. 5 students. 5 students are absent out of 30. 5 students are absent out of 30. 7 number. Instead of. He went to library instead of going to cinema. He went to library instead of going to cinema. Cinema जानुको सट्टामा ऊ पुस्तकालय गयो. Library. He went to library instead of going to cinema. 8 number. Lie. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. Okay. This is all about today. Dear students, see you in next class. Note down in your notebook and learn this and practice yourself. This much for today. Thank you.